Where does HG deserve to win versus competitors? And what are the use cases or customer types you feel the strongest kind of fit into that?
See, HG is the company, I would say, for the agentic world. Like, especially if you want to build agentic apps are only good if your data is good, right? You need high quality data, but you need different dimensions of data for to guide your sales teams, your guide your marketing teams, right? Sometimes you need to spend intelligence. The reason you need spend intelligence is, let's say you're doing a competitive takeout. Okay. You want to know, and let's say you have a customer, a prospect is using a product that is very similar to yours. You want to know how much do they spend and what are they doing, where are they in the buying cycle or using cycle, etc., etc. So you need time series similarly. Hey, how long have they been using, right? So you need various types of dimensions of data to really guide the marketing and sales effectively, and you need all those dimensions to prioritize. Otherwise, you might be getting into an account which is 5-year old account, and the customer is deeply enriched with so much footprint, and you might be trying to displace that account, might be a very hard thing, might take time because especially if they have no intention to displace it, right? The sales is much harder in that case than displacing something where they're ready to displace, right? So having all these types of intelligence is going to be key. That is where that's one of the excitements for me joining Hedgie, right? Like this differentiating data and the company has been doing ML for a while, even before I joined, right? Machine learning for a while. But then we realized there are a lot of AI tools that will help curate our data much faster, so we can get to 100 million accounts of coverage in the next 9 months. That's a compelling story, right? So for the agentic world, so we are the revenue growth intelligence for the agentic world, and that's where we deserve to win, and we deserve to be positioned. And more importantly, if you're a CEO or a CX or CRO, CMO thinking about revenue growth, you need the revenue growth intelligence, right? And you need to know what's my growth strategy, what's my retention strategy, what's my efficiency strategy, and that's kind of where we fall right in the horizon